And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger. And I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you're looking around and think, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If it fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New spring in their step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
All right, good morning, guys. How we doing, chat? How we doing? Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. CPI day, 9/11. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. 1 second. All right, should be good. Good morning, guys. What's going on, guys? Say what's up in the chat. Say good morning back if you're a real friend. Like the stream before we get started. What's up, Zero Apes? Imran, good morning. Sonay, good to see you. Nicolay, good morning. Zane, Jacob, Davidson, Cookie, George, good morning. George, all the audios are actually in my Discord in the resources section if you want to save them for your own listening pleasure. What's up, Lewis, Levert, Mohammed, Fadi, Ernesto, Good morning, Nika, Malik, Amine, Big Head Reef, K-Van Chan. What's up, Moses, Chartis? You know what I'm on? I think I just might. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Daybot, Alex, Marcus, Jason, good morning. All right, let's pull up the chart, shall we? See what we're working with. Obviously, CPI day today. CPI news candle had a nice reaction here down below some internal lows here, below Asia low and London low, obviously. And to me, it's looking, I mean, just based off the hourly close, it looks like some pretty heavy manipulation has already taken place to the downside. And we held, obviously, this wick, the upper 50% of this wick. So being that we're obviously more so bullish as it is at all-time highs, pretty clear, easy draws towards these highs. I'm feeling pretty bullish, and instead of seeing like a two-stage delivery, I'm just going off price action here. Instead of seeing like a two-stage data high to data low delivery, I would almost kind of favor just a continuation higher. I could be convinced otherwise, I guess, but just initial first look at this market on the hourly and even 4-hour time frame, that's how I see this price right now. So let me know if you guys agree, disagree. You guys think we go higher or lower? Looking at the poll in the chat, we are, oh wow, way mega bullish, 69%. And no, I'm not just making that number up, boys. 69% of the chat is bullish. You know what that means, boys? I think it means it was meant to be. I think it means it was meant to be. 69% bullish. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here. Like I said, I could be convinced otherwise. Obviously, we'll be mindful now that we are trading above this data high, right? So just looking at the data candle, pretty obvious highs and lows here, but looking strong for now. So we'll see. Market just opened up. Market just opened up. Let's scale in a little bit. Want to watch and see what price does from here. We are SMTing these highs. I don't want to, you know, I'm not going to put my stake in the ground and say that it's impossible for price to reverse and have that usual two-stage delivery like CPI likes to do. I guess we'll see as well based on how this current hourly stick closes. Probably will tell us a lot. Strong intention just to push buy button and wait. Sometimes that's not the worst intention. But yeah, just bounce around these time frames. Even the 15-minute, like this looks, I don't know. This looks like this all should hold, to be honest. So we'll see, boys and girls. Market moving up right now, currently trading at just under 24,000. NFP data high from last week, 24,044. And then the all-time high is 68 on the NASDAQ. All-time high is 565 on ES. Looking bullish. Let me go full screen with this. Looking bullish, chat. So we'll see. We'll see. What's up, Aaron? What's up, Tom? MKP. Good morning, guys. How we feeling? How we feeling? Bull still at 69%. I don't know, boys. I think that might be a sign. I'm not sure. And I don't know if it's a sign for better or for worse. That's the thing. But a sign nonetheless. Data low, then up to all-time high. What's up, Jamie? JT, that I don't know. Never say never, but that'd be pretty nuts. Do you expect price to get traded all the way down to the 830s again before highs? Really? Really? Oh shit, huh? I don't know. I'm not so sure. Baby, tell me now, do I make you want to dance real slow? 930's right here. Why is this not working? Yes. Yeah, not moving a whole lot here. Kind of chopping around at the open. There is no, I don't believe at least, 10 a.m. news. No, yeah. No 10 a.m. news at all today. So news is out of the way. On the Tradeify copy or Reza, no. Not simultaneously. You'd have to log in and out of your prop credentials. So for the copy trader, for that to work, you'd have to use like Replicanto with NinjaTrader. Otherwise, just one firm at a time. What's up, Nins? Toasted Films, Money Glitch. Good to see you, man. Keeping in mind that Thursday generally makes the high of the week. On an uptrending week, it would be nice to see PPI high swiped to move lower to relative equal lows on NQ. Fair enough. I mean, we are chopping around here. You know, so if this is why I said I was going to be a little bit open about this and be willing to be convinced to be lower. I was just saying on the hourly it looks strong, right? Strong rejection off the CPI candle. We flipped the candle bullish. So for that reason, I'm bullish on this time frame. But if we start seeing price quickly displacing lower, you know, it changes some things. But I still want to be cautious, like below, even if we swipe these lows here internally. Perfect equal lows here at 940. And then, you know, if we get some higher time frame closures below these highs, then, you know, maybe you can extend those draws to lower. And then maybe I forget already who said it in the chat, data lows first. Who knows? Maybe it happens. We never say never in these markets, boys. Holy shit, we're dumping. $34 points in 1 minute. Previous day high. Did we take the previous day high? I think so, right? Oh. No, we did not. Why do I have this marked Wednesday? Oh, that's PPI data high. I think I said NFP data high to you guys. That's not NFP data high. That was taken already. That's PPI data high. My bad, boys. Data high nonetheless. Like in Thursday reversal. I mean, yeah, I think everybody's seen the news about Charlie Kirk Mataz, yeah. Pretty shitty. What's up, Myth? Midnight open here 9:13. Hourly candle flipping red here. There is an SMT with the current hourly high. NQ has taken out the 8 a.m. hourly high, and NQ has taken out the hourly high. ES is not. So we actually do already have an SMT here. At the highs here. This is actually your first presented fair value gap, boys and girls. I love these equal lows that we printed here. What are the odds of this would pull back before selling? What do you guys think the odds would be? Not high. There it is. I would have taken it if it would have done it. Not happening though. So 9, almost 10 minutes into the open here. Price selling off into this range again. Taking out these equal lows. How do we respond from here? We just mark out the range here. 50% equilibrium level is just above New York midnight. And then we'll see how these candles close. 20 minutes left on the hour. 5 minutes left on this 15-minute stick. NQ has changed its look in a hurry, boys and girls. This is the 15-minute. 15-minute on NQ. Flipping this candle, potentially going to turn it into a bearish order block. Life comes at you quick. If you don't stop and look around every once in a while, you might miss it. You know what I mean? You figure this is manipulation. This move lower currently, I can't tell. I thought the hourly chart showed some pretty clear manipulation lower, especially with the way that it ended up closing. Hourly, this current hourly stick was printing. It printed a lower wick and then was trading up. Obviously, was looking strong. But that's why candle closures are important, because in a matter of what, 5-10 minutes. We've changed quite a bit off that data high, so. We'll see what we set up here. I'm not closed off to shorting at all. Sift through here, 3-minute, 5-minute. A little 5-minute gap in here. Just BPR overlapping. This is from the data candle. I think my eyes would be willing to look for opportunities to short. Obviously, this 15-minute stick closes in 3 minutes. Going to create this bearish order block below this candle body here. So probably I'm shifting to short bias here more so in the short term. At least to data low. Whoever predicted it in the chat, they said data low before highs. So it's looking like their prophecy is coming true. What's up, Kumar? What's up, dude? Big Head Reef says, I think we bounce off 50% of the news candle. I guess we'll see. I can see NQ taking out the data low and then ES holding an SMT. 1 minute. Watch me not take a 1 minute PD array today, and then it works perfect. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute to close. I want to see this 15-minute close. Baby, tell me not to make you want to dance real slow. What would this be? 20 points. What's up, Lucky? 32nd. Yeah, I don't really. It's not my. I don't prefer using the second chart, so I think my win rate on the second charts is similar to my win rate on the 1 minute chart over the last 2 days. Few and far between. I find I take much higher quality trades off the minute intervals. And the last couple of days, the 1 minute chart has been kind of gruesome for me in the AM session. Like, I don't know if you guys saw the trade I took, the couple of trades I took short yesterday in the PM session. I posted them on Twitter. Those were actually, my entries came off of either a 15 or a 30 minute. It does look like we kind of want to get this push, though. We're respecting here. Didn't like that close. Give it a minute. 15-minute just opened up. We took out this last 15-minute low. Still holding this bearish gap. The 15-minute closed basically right, I mean, at the same exact price level as our 8:30 and 8:45 candles. 5-minute BPR up here. Just going to stay patient on this for a little bit. Some of you guys might long the inversion. I don't hate it. Oh my God, look at that reaction. Look at that reaction, chat. Whoa. Whoa. Oh boy. What is this? 28-point candle. Let's see if it can trade back into this gap. We are hitting this 5-minute. This is a little iffy, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, look at ES 15-minute chart. If you guys have a second, just look at ES 15-minute chart right now. Just look at like the last 4 candles. Holy. Baby, tell me now, do I make you want to dance real slow and go flying on a two-lane road? Did we hit the 50%? We did. Where's the 97% retracement today, NASDAQ? Bitch. Oh, can we get picked up on this? I don't know if these guys might get left. We're pumping right now. I have a buy limit. I'm going to drop it in here just for good measure. And then see if we can get this push. Filled there. I'm not in love with this lower time frame structure on ES, if I'm being honest. I just don't like that we put these perfect equal lows on ES. That's about it though. All right, filled there, 941 guys. I actually don't even need consistency rule wise. I only need like 1800 something, so I probably won't quite hold it to the full take profit. But otherwise, yeah, I do want to hold through here. I'm gonna go break even when ES takes out 565. See what happens, boys. Nice reaction so far. Nobody jinx it. 565, I believe, is the all-time high, right? It's the 830. You're right. This is actually also data high from yesterday. PPI data high. So, okay, there's data high on ES. I'm going to go remove the risk there. ES taking out this data high. Obviously, that's our target here on this on NASDAQ as well. And just seeing if we can get the follow through here on NASDAQ. Break even. Let's ride it out. Chat. Like I said, not looking for all of this. Just based on consistency rule. So this will be, I'm going to be trading my P&L here. It's basically going to be, once I see like 1800, I'm going to just take it off. Did I trade off? Did you base your trade off specifically? Yeah, I did. This sweep here, and then we tap 50% of the range. I mean, I commentated this. I don't know. I don't know if I could have commentated it any better before it happened. I said I'm going to be watching once we sweep these equal lows. I was bullish. I was more so bullish on the higher time frame coming into the session based on how the hourly closed. So was open to shorting once this happened, but you know, try to be nimble in these markets without getting fucked. We'll see though. Hitting 930 opening price. We just closed above the first presented fair value gap. We still need to see this continue. Obviously, there's SMT against us currently. So this is by no means a victory as of yet. But I can tell you it's not an L. That I can tell you. ICT changed my trading, did say it was a bad idea. So he can get fucked. But we'll see if we get any actually good follow through on CPI day today. A lot of break-even trades yesterday. George, yeah, you are right, George. I didn't include the volume imbalance in my fair value gap marking here. So if we do, I guess you could say we didn't close above it. I mean, technically, if I'm wrong and this just holds the SMT and we don't want to go to these data lows, then yeah, I would expect to get stopped here. But then I could look to flip. Like once we flip these PD arrays, I could look to flip short from these. Try to capture that would be the idea. Otherwise, we're in it. We're risk free. It's a free trade, right? So worst that could happen is I get stopped out 4 points in profit. ES is fucking ripping right now. Is that 940? No, I got 941. Ah, gotcha by 2 points. Somebody's closer. So if all is well that goes, if all is well that goes well, if all is well that ends well, on a day like CPI day, right? Assuming you get good delivery, like this is where you should expect price to like stair step and hold bullish order flow to the draw. Or you can hold a little bit higher expectations, I guess. We still need to get above this high. I'll be feeling really good once we get above this high because then we got SMT failing here on this initial range. So need to see that. Did get this 5-minute inversion. Not by much. Now this current 5-minute stick looks a little iffy for the moment. 50 seconds left till the close. We get back above the high. Hourly close in 10 a.m. incoming in 40 seconds. What do we think, guys? What do we think? New hourly candle here. ES immediately traded above the hourly high. NQ is holding weakness. Don't you dare be a 10 a.m. reversal. 1 minute change in the state of delivery. I'm probably closing this just to secure it. Mm. I'm going to go stop. Moved into profit below that low that just got put in. I don't want to see this flip completely. SMT at the high. ES traded above 10 a.m. high. Another SMT was put in here. Gave it a moment. See if we can create that lower wick and keep pushing. But if not, it'd be nice to secure a little green here. Yeah, taken out there in profit. Taken out there in profit. Can always look to rejoin this if we're going to see continuation. Secured something, though, at least for that. Little bit nervous about the 10 a.m. reversal coming in here. Guess we'll see. Secured something for our troubles. Son of a gun, you know? 15 minute. I mean, the 15 minute looks like fucking barcode right now on NQ. This is the 15 minute. ES is way cleaner. What'd you say, Ruben? W trade, just teasing? You should hold. You should suck my ass. How about that? I can always re-enter this. I think that's the part people forget. You know, I don't know. Might even be worth buy stopping this through the 10 a.m. or I'm sorry, the 9 a.m. hourly high. Just because if this is going to sell, I would kind of want to see it hold the SMT there. I'm not going to put my buy stop all the way up here, though. I'll go buy stop here, 988 through this recent high. Stop will go below here if we get triggered. But this is going to be how I'm going to replay or rejoin this, right? If we're going to hold and keep pushing. Let's test this theory out, chat. Tony says gambling. Yep, 100%. Putting it on black, chat. Top said fucked you good. Lube or no lube? No warning email, just closed your account. Have you tried Tradeify? All right, buy stop filled here. I'm gonna go stop below this low. Oops. Basically rejoining this move. Expecting continuation. Let's see if we get it. See if we get it, boys. So far, so good. Just traded above opening range high here. You've got to bump it up. Don't you know? Bump it up. Come on, NQ, push for us. It's CPI day after all. Be a good boy. Be a good boy and moonshot it for us. All looks good, though, for now. I mean, ES is just ripping, dude. ES is ripping it. Why NQ's lagging behind so much? What's YM up to? YM is moonshotting right now. I think we're actually in the weakest asset. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, ES is still pumping here. You guys seeing this shit? Link not working. Come again. Try that. All right, trying to get some follow through here to the data highs, PPI data highs. Literally in the last fucking 20 seconds of this 5-minute candle, we come down and we wick this high. Ugh. Ugh. Pretty much need this gap to hold. That don't look good. Can we get continuation one fucking day this week, please? For the love of God. All right, I'm out. Closing it there. Gave back the profit from this trade. I'm just going to wait now. Macro's over. You knew it was too good to be true? What the heck? Current thoughts on September PA? Dog shit. I'm still green, but it's still gay. Oops. I mean, look at this 15-minute chart, guy. I mean, come the fuck on right now. How is this our 15 on ES and this is our 15 on NQ? Like, what the fuck?
Oh, make you want to kick a fat kid at Kmart. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Why you don't trade DS? How'd I know that comment was coming? I'm just gonna pretend I didn't read that. I just realized. Oh, Cookie, you're leaving? You're heading out already? But yeah, the link. I don't even know if the link matters all that much, to be honest. I think you got to put the code in every time at checkout, to be honest. I'm not sure. That's just what I know. Here we go. Now we're getting the sell here a little bit on NASDAQ. This is tough. This is so weak that it's like, if these shorts do come in, this might be the fucking trade of the century, chat. Might be the trade of the century, chat, if these shorts come in. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, this 3-minute looks pretty clean. I'm going for it. Gonna go for it off this 3-minute change in the state, 3-minute order block. Stop is gonna go 996. I'm gonna see if we can't sell this bitch. My thought process here is we're not pulling back for anything in the 5-minute here. This is, if this was going to continue higher, I feel like it should have done so. Obviously, we got SMT at the high still. And this just looks really clean. I've been wrong before, especially this week. A little bit of a hefty stop. Yeah, I don't need the whole data low or anything. I need like somewhere right here. Mm. 15-minute looks great. Tony says he doesn't like it. Tony, have you ever tried gambling? I was given orders by the market makers to be read on New York AM streams all week and then make it all back off stream afterward. They said they're going to send the Mossad after me if I don't. I ain't fucking around with them. Yeah, I don't mind this trade, though. I mean, taking on a little bit of drawdown right now. 15 looks good. This is the 15-minute chart. ES, 15-minute fair value gap here. NQ is the weaker of the two, for sure. Even the hourly, I mean, shit. Here's your hourly chart. Just the, I mean, it's just crazy the difference right now. He's really diverged a lot. So we'll hold it. I mean, you know, it's I like it enough to I mean, I don't even mind this 38-point stop. It's a little bit heavier risk, but after all that's transpired, it's just like, man, it's not wanting to give this continuation, so I'm not going to force it. Tilted green to red. I didn't hit a full target on my first green trade. I was only up like $400. Fuck am I gonna do with $400? The lady boy in Thailand won't even take that. Just kidding, she probably would. All right, Sneer. You didn't really say anything bad, but I'm just feeling a little bit prejudiced today. I should put it like a... No, I'm not going to say anything that's going to get me in trouble, but... How can I put like an anti-Zionist like moderation on my YouTube channel somehow? That'd be sick. The churches in France? I don't think I've heard about that, no. Who's your favorite left-wing financier? I don't know. I don't watch anybody left-wing. If I did, I'd probably want to shoot people because that's what they all do. Weird. I thought the people on the left were supposed to have the moral high ground. But yet, stricter gun laws. Let's shoot people until they give it to us. Ain't that funny? Left or right doesn't matter, mates. I do agree that the left or right doesn't matter. A lot of that, I feel like the left versus the right is a big psyop from a large bird's eye point of view. But I would say from just from a surface level, smaller point of view, I do find a stark contrast in morality between left and right. People that are left and right. I think that was on display yesterday, given the tragic events. Let's just say there was only one side of the political aisle that was celebrating anything yesterday. Found that a little deranged. Did you ban him for being a Jew? No, it was what the Jew said, but if the shoe fits, I guess. I didn't ban him. I just put him in timeout for like 30 minutes. Just because we'll probably still be on in 30 minutes, and he'll probably come back all angry because that's what they do. They can't really control their emotions very well. So I thought it would be entertaining to see what he had to say in 30 minutes. Sister nature. Well, let's see here. I'm just chopping around. This 15-minute chart is actually atrocious. Chucky, the good news is Tradeify is, so. Just saying. Charlie was pro Israel. What the fuck are you talking about, Tyson? Yeah, he was. I've seen some clips, though, recently. Like, the last couple weeks, he was finally starting to push back on Israel a little bit. Some interesting conspiracies with that one. Thank you, Chucky. Yeah, man, that was pretty sad yesterday. Ty is a sheep for grifter propaganda. Probably the opposite, Finlay. Hurrah must also be a Zionist and a Jew. He says, it's better if you just say nothing. You are really, really dumb. I didn't say anything. I said, I'm just going to ban you because I'm feeling prejudice. But I'll ban you too. I mean, shit. Bro, go watch someone else, man. Go watch somebody that will be like, oh my God, I love everyone. It's not going to be me, dog. You're watching the fucking wrong guy. That's on you, not me. Let me help you out. Put you in timeout. Jesus. Fucking retards.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
God. You know what I mean? Holy fuck. Eh. 10:30 incoming here in a couple minutes. We're just chopping. All right, Finlay's getting banned too. I mean, dude, y'all are fucking weird. I'm just gonna hide that. He's blocked from the channel. Ugh. Tyler, please, we need this dump. Can you handle it? I hope so. Tyler, what is your risk management work if you took a L in the first trade? Do you de-risk or nah? No. Not really. I'll de-risk maybe after like a losing streak, right? Where you lose like a bunch of trades in a row maybe. But if you're losing a bunch of trades in a row, it's probably because you're just like not seeing something right or you're just offside a lot. I find that I'm not offside a lot. And when I get stopped out, it's generally either something I did mismanagement wise, or honestly, sometimes just getting like wicked out, stop hunted by being stingy with my stop loss. But I'm directionally, listen, I'm very confident in picking overall direction. So no, I'm willing to keep risk the same so I can. I mean, let's just put it this way. I fucking took 2 L's yesterday on stream. 2 L's yesterday on stream. Made it back in essentially one trade with profit yesterday. Wouldn't have been able to do that if I de-risked just because I lost. Same with the day before. But I don't know. Everybody in the YouTube live chat gets so bent out of shape about a couple of losses. And I imagine it's because you guys, when you lose a couple of trades, your whole account's gone. Meanwhile, I'll lose a couple of trades, be down $1,000, make 1,300 on the next trade, and be in profit. Like, and you know, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not the one paying for your guys' accounts. Yeah, I don't know. This price action is pretty Jewish. All I can do is like, I don't know what it is, dude. AM sessions have been fucking me the last 2 days. Maybe going on day 3 of that. And then PM sessions, incredible. It's like if I just didn't trade in the AM session the last few days, it'd be great. Bro went from being up 800 to negative. I was up 400 actually. Unless you count unrealized, then maybe I was at one point. Appreciate it, Vincent. Well, it doesn't look good. Wild. Not the countdown. 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to do the responsible thing and cut it. There's stop anyway. Flipping bullish to bearish, and we just keep trucking. Look at this 30-minute, or I'm sorry, this is hourly. All right, let's gamble with some tilt, shall we? Because who's going to stop me? Out in the middle of nowhere now. We can take it back downtown. No, we don't care now. Baby, tell me not do. I make you wanna dance real slow. If we pull back for this 1 minute gap, I'm probably going to add to this. Breaker, gap, stop. Oh, let's see. Five-minute breaker. You have the no, no, please stop, no. I don't, no, I don't. I do not. Buy high, less low. Did you mean sell low? We want to buy high, sell low. It's called the cash release strategy. Oh my goodness. I'm just watching. It's just amazing. I'm watching ES just fucking melt face to the upside. And NQ is in this range. So shorted this breaker. Front running like all this displacement up. I'm hopping in. And now I'm wanting to see this hold as a bullish breaker to the upside. It's just fucking insane right now. NQ in the AM session has been absolutely fucking taking me for a fucking ride. I literally can't trade it. I literally can't trade it without getting fucked. Aw. Guys, my P&L isn't even bad. I was afraid to look at it for a second because I was like, oh fuck, how much damage have I done? I feel like again like yesterday, like a little bit of a whirlwind in here. That's not bad. We're good. We're fucking so good. The white Q Tau. Fuck off, Tom. That's bullshit. Don't ever fucking compare me to that Asian. Nothing against Asians. Nothing. Hey, fucking listen. Nothing against them. What's your P&L? Sharky, do you have eyeballs and do they work? If you don't mind. He goes, what's your P&L if you don't mind? So, Sharky, if you don't mind, I want to know if your eyeballs work. Have you looked at the screen that I'm showing? You didn't see. Can I ask how you didn't see? Sharky. If you don't mind. Where's your stop loss? I don't have one. Every time I put it on the chart, fucking price goes and hits it, so I'm done putting it on here. Mental stops, baby. Dude, 10:41, 15-minute close soon. We're finally getting some fucking breakout out of here, hopefully. Yeah, let's go for it. Let's go ahead and add one. Like that rejection there. A new high, I could probably go break even on this. Yeah, I'll probably go break even now. And then if we break through here, I'll probably look for ads in here. Data highs target. Bro, it's just crazy. Every time I look at the ES chart, it's just a rocket ship higher. A literal rocket ship. It's crazy, actually. It's fucking nuts. All right, 50-minute close here in 30 seconds, and then macro in 5. My plan is if this gets trailed out, I'm going to basically look for a 50% rebalance of this range and probably put a limit on it. Because I think the draw, to me, at this point, I mean, if we don't get data high, I might just go bankrupt today. I might just lose everything I've ever owned in my lifetime if we don't get data high today on NQ at this point. All right, new high there. We'll see. New 15-minute. Can we expand a NASDAQ? Do we get 2 15-minute expansion candles in a row? Or are you just going to take the 15-minute candle high and go right back into the range? It'd be a dirty, dirty little slut. Dirty slut it is. Back into the range we go on the 15. This is absurd. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm telling you guys, I'm selling out for data high right now. I'm doing it. I'm selling out for data high. 5-minute gap. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I've got a demon in me. That is true. He does have semen in him from the stripper. No, I said demon. Yeah, but you also have semen, remember? Not relevant. And then let's mark out. Y'all act like the P&L's bad. The P&L's not bad. Dude, y'all are max daily loss after a loss. What are you talking about? Hey, Luca, let him glaze. You know, Luca, you should start glazing. I think you might like it. Oh, dude, is that actually an emoji now? Or is that the okay emoji? It looks like this, though. But if you are just joining chat, it's been an interesting day so far. Went from green to red. Green to red. Bullish initially. Bearish flip here. Stopped out. Long again. Stop break even. I got my eyes set on data highs. 24,044. We're fucking this 24,000 level has been insane so far. We've just been chopping at it like crazy on both sides. We finally flipped it, obviously. Now, before just instead of opposed to just hopping back in, I'm waiting a little bit here. We were at that 15-minute close. Macro beginning in a minute or so. But yeah, my eyes are set on data high. And this sixth sister coming in here probably wouldn't be willing to flip bearish. I mean, we would have to flip all this. All of this shit would need to get ran through. Call me crazy, but I'm betting the farm on it. No, I'm not the farm, but you guys get it. So yeah, basically it's been a game for me today where it's like, all right, we're at these highs. I want to see data high. All right, we flip. I want to see data low, right? So it's like that's been the game. Avoided this though. I was not bearish necessarily throughout this. Flipped here after 10 a.m. thinking this could be 10 a.m. reversal. Clearly it was not. Listen, we haven't been red one day this week. And even if I'm red on stream this morning, we're gonna go. We don't walk away red. I know that's really professional trader talk. You gotta be okay with red and walking away. Yeah. That's like a little league coach saying, don't worry if we win, guys. As long as you have fun. Might as well hand out participation trophies. You know? It's okay, kids. As long as you have fun. You know what's fun? Being green. That's what's fun. That's what's fucking fun. Chat. All right, there's 50% of this range. I am going to wait for confirmation on a 1 minute before I re-enter longs. And if we flip this whole range on its head, my eyes go below your sister's skirt right there. We hold 50%, confirm on the 1 minute, I'm long. You understand me? It's the same concept as we don't go to bed angry. Yeah, you don't go to bed angry and you don't fucking walk away from your charts with red P&O. What are you, a quitter? Is that how you want to be known? Daddy. What did you do when you used to day trade? I used to walk away with a little bit of red because I'm scared of a stop loss. Wow. What a legend. Daddy, why are you 65 and still working a job? Because I'm afraid of risking money in the market, son. I might hit my stop loss. Wow. Thanks. You guys having fun yet?
You wake up when the alarm goes off. You go to your job. Sorry. Hi, boss.
Not the advice we need, but the advice we deserve. Listen, I'm just trying to give you guys. Oh, is he back? Sneer's back. I knew he'd be back. God did his thing. Got you stopped out. Well done, buddy. I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't go live next week. You wouldn't be surprised. I would be surprised. If you said Mossad after me, maybe I won't go live, but that's about it. I'll be live next week, Sneer. I'm glad you're back, though, Sneer. How was your timeout? Sneer, how does it feel? How does it feel that I have the power to just put you in timeout whenever I want? I have the power to censor you, and then you just sit here like this. You just sit here like you're like wait. He's like waiting for the timer to run out, and he's just like, I can't wait to fucking talk some more trash. It's just like, that's what he goes. Oh hell no! That's what you did. I mean, it's literally what you did. I put you in a timeout for 30 minutes. He just sat there for 30 minutes. I might do it again, Sneer. I might do it again. I might censor you some more, Sneer. Check the name tag, Grandma. You're in my house now. Oh, that's too funny. Goodness gracious, Sneer. Lighten up, would ya? I want to see he getting stopped. You guys have seen... Listen, I've given you what you want then. The last 3 days, New York AM session. It's been a fun time. But yeah, typical Zionist. He feels better about himself when he sees others suffer. Typical Zionist. He wonders why people criticize him. Doesn't that sound like your greatest ally, chat? To me, that sounds like my greatest ally. He's the happiest. He's the happiest when I'm losing. That sounds like my greatest ally. Hopefully you keep losing. There you go. I mean, does it get any more clear than that? Greatest ally, chat. Yeah, a little hate watcher. Adding a lot of value. We appreciate that, Sneer. We need people like you. We need people like you, Sneer. Someone has to show us what not to do. How not to behave. And, you know, you got it. You got it. So. Rock on. ROCK in the US of A. Man, it does not want to give up this gap, does it? I swear to God, bro, if this 1 minute candle just... I'm trying to be a good boy and wait for this inversion. Out in the middle of nowhere now. I'm gonna long this inversion, chat. 10 seconds. Waiting for the close. Waiting for the close. And I'm in. Stop's going to go below the inversed fair value gap candle. Data high is my target. Baby, tell me now, do I make you want to dance real slow? Go flying down a 2-lane road. I'm just going to sit here and be quiet. So anyway, boys, Packers play tonight. Packers Commanders. Who we got? Who we got? Packers Commanders chat. Who we got? Who you taking? I should fucking ask you guys. You guys should help me set my fantasy lineup for this week because I got fucked in both my leagues. I got shafted this last week. I don't know what to do. Commanders by 20 and you're an Eagles fan? Really? Commanders by 20. I was actually thinking that it was going to be like kind of like the Lions-Packer game, and I actually think we're going to freaking roll them pretty easily, to be honest. 2-minute gap got left behind here, guys, so BPR might pull back for this. Never seen 2 minis? That's not true. You just weren't watching. You just weren't paying attention. What do you guys want? Do you guys want me to put Sneer back in timeout? Sneer, if you can't keep your emotions in check, and we're gonna keep fighting. I know you're going back and forth with some folks in the chat, but you seem to be the root cause of the issues right now, from where I sit. So just let me know, dude. I'll put you in timeout. I'll give you a chance. I already put you in timeout once. I'll give you a chance to shape up. Trying to be fair here. I don't know. But I'm getting sick of looking over at my chat and seeing your name in it, fighting with other people. Ugh. No, I don't stream PM session, David. Not at the moment. Nope. That's my time to trade without looking at or reading the chat in my own fucking peace of mind. But I don't always trade PM either. Maybe we'll add PM streams at some point. Probably, I mean, it's probably why I perform better to some extent. Yeah, I mean, I'll never blame chat distractions for like my winning or losing a trade. I mean, none of us control what the candles do. But I will say it's a little bit annoying I mean, it literally doesn't matter. Win or lose. Like the perfect precise entry type of a trade or more of an impulse type of an entry. Like it literally doesn't matter. It's just like, it's kind of draining every single time you look over into the chat. It's just like, you're gonna get stopped, bro. Fucking terrible trade, gambler. Like every trade, bro. It's like, yeah, shit's a little annoying. But yeah, sometimes in the PM session, I like to just sit here naked, holding on to my stress toy, aka my flotation device, and just sit here, put on trades, fucking scroll my phone until something happens in silence. You guys know what I'm talking? I mean, that's what you guys are doing right now. The only difference is you got me in the background. A lot of you guys probably got dick in hand currently. Lucky guess, Ernesto. Don't you think chat behaves based on your behavior too? I've heard you say a lot of questionable racist stuff too. Blaming chat for doing the exact same you do is diabolical. Yeah, but what you're forgetting, PS, is it's my channel. I'm allowed to be hypocritical. Also, I don't think I'm hypocritical, to be honest with you. If you can give me a specific example, PS, let's chat about it. I do like to troll the chat back though. Don't get me wrong. But like, I'm also a human being, and I fucking eventually it's just like opening your trades up to public scrutiny. That's the thing. Like it just like it's scrutinized no matter what. Even when I win, it's just like there's something to poke a hole in, and it's just like, you know. I kind of understand now why some streamers actually just full-blown ignore their chat the whole fucking time, pretty much. It gets hard to think straight, but no, it is what it is. I do appreciate the chat. There's only like 5% of the chat that can be annoying. Oh my god, guys. This macro did pretty much nothing. Like, I can't believe this, that we're getting this poor of price action on NQ right now. Maybe I just need to like go get another coffee and just like walk away from my chart. I don't know. Just the humor people don't understand. They're sensitive. I just don't feel good about this really anymore. Oh. Oh. As soon as I said I don't feel good about it anymore, Price said, all right, he's had enough. Let's go. Little reverse psychology on the market makers chat. If you've never tried it, highly recommend. But if you celebrate too early, they'll come right back. So just don't try to sound or look happy. Just look at the market with the same scowl that you were 2 minutes ago. No, NQ, don't go higher, please. Please don't go higher than NQ. What the fuck? You never listen to me. This is really gay. Why is NQ this way? Please go to the moon. Thank you, NASDAQ. I don't know, dude. Whatever. I'm going to break even. Expand now or forever hold your peace. New 15-minute incoming. A religious trading channel? No. Bro, it's just insane. Like, I'm so jealous of ES right now. New 15-minute. So jealous of ES. Like, come on, NQ. And that's the thing. It's like, I know this thing is going to catch up at some point. It's just like making you wait this shit out right now. The wicks on the hourly are insane. I mean, you guys just go look at your NQ hourly chart and just look at these wicks. Every candle is closing bullish. We're closing above the previous candle high. But holy cow, you know, making you really just grind it out. That's why it's been like so frustrating. I'm like, look at this, guys. This is literally NQ. Huge wick down, close above high. Huge wick down, close above high. Huge wick down, close above high. Like, please don't give us a huge wick down this time. Just fucking just go, dude. Just go, you know? Come on. And yeah, watch it actually just say, all right, and just tank. Oh, there's a new high finally. Please just expand for the love of Christ. For all that is holy in God's kingdom, please just expand. Get this data high for us, please. Please, NASDAQ. Go there like your life depends on it. Fly like the bird you are. Like the birdie I know that you are. You've just been pushed from the nest. Spread your wings and fly! 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 Come on!
It's Brittany, bitch. And I am back.
Fucking Brittany, bitch! You know what I mean? Ugh. We have to go now. We have to go now. God candles, NASDAQ. God candles. I don't care if the P&L's green. We don't take profit early. We don't take profit early. This is how you go from red to green. This is how you go from red to green, chat. Overtrade. Size up. Don't be a bitch. And you just wait. That's it. That's the formula.
Rule number 1, you gotta be quick. Rule number 2, don't fall down. And rule number 3, whatever you do, never look back.
Hands off the mouse. We don't close early. We don't close early. Ever. Ever. Why? Because it's going to the data high. What I fucking tell you, chat. Fuck you, Sneer. Enjoy your day. I'll see you boys tomorrow.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ charts on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money, he's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. Dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trades streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Charts on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Dreadlocks now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.